equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Let us try and understand how to prove this theorem. So we are given two equal chords AB and CD. So given is two equal chords AB is equal to CD. You have to prove that they are equidistant from the center. Now what do you mean by equidistant from the center? सेंटर से उनका डिस्टेंस इक्वल है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली डिस्टेंस? डिस्टेंस का मतलब होता है द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. यू मे हैव एन नंबर ऑफ डिस्टेंसेस. अगर आप सोचेंगे कि यहाँ से तो मैं कहीं पे भी कोई भी डिस्टेंस बना सकते हैं, बट यू कैन नॉट मेक एनी डिस्टेंस. द डिस्टेंस इज़ अ लाइन विच इज़ देयर from the point to the given line and it is perpendicular to it. So distance is always perpendicular. So हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? That OX is equal to OY. Now how will we prove that OX is equal to OY? So we are joining OB and OD. So construction is join OB and OD. Now can you prove the congruency of these two triangles? Let us try this out. Proof. So in triangle, which triangles we are considering? In triangle OXB and triangle OYD. OX is equal to OY. This is what we are supposed to prove. So we'll just write down. I just wrote it by mistake. OB is equal to OD. It is radii of the same circle. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2, 90 degree, because OX is perpendicular to AB and OY is perpendicular to CD. Now what next? I need one more property. Okay, let us just go back and find out that if a perpendicular is drawn from the center of the circle to the chord, it bisects the chord. I hope all of you remember. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So I can write AX is equal to XB and CY is equal to YD. What is the reason? Perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisects it. अब ये perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects it. Okay, now AX is equal to XB. Can I write this as half of AB? Both of them are equal. And this as half of CD. Now you know that AB and CD are equal. So can I say that XB is equal to YD? Just see it properly. AX is equal to XB is equal to half of AB and half of CD. They are equal. So all these parts are equal. So I am writing here XB is equal to YD, which is proved by star. So triangle OXB is congruent to triangle OYD by which criteria? Right angle, hypotenuse and side, RHS criteria. Now if these two triangles are congruent, that means I can say that OX is equal to OY. This is CPCT. CPCT. Okay, so this is what you were supposed to prove. Now we have to do the converse of this theorem. So the converse states that equal chords which are equidistant from the center, वो chord जो center से equal distance पे है, मतलब क्या है? OX is equal to OY. So I am writing given is OX is equal to OY and this is the distance. Chords which are equidistant from the center are equal in length. इसका मतलब to prove क्या है? They are equal in length. So हमें prove करना है AB is equal to CD. So just reverse of what we did in the previous question. Now again let us join this. So write down the construction. The construction is join OB and OC. Now proof. Let us see if we can prove the congruency of these two triangles. Can you prove the congruency of these two triangles? In triangle OXB and triangle OYC, OB is equal to OC. Why? Because the radii of the same circle. OX is equal to OY. This is given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, 90. क्यों है 90? Because perpendicular distance होता है. ठीक है. Now that means triangle OXB is congruent to triangle OYC by which criteria? Right angle, hypotenuse and side. So RHS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Now if these two triangles are congruent, तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? I can say that XB corresponding parts are equal, so XB is equal to YC, CPCT. Now can you tell me what next? Again use the same theorem. कौन सी theorem use करनी है? Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ AX is equal to XB and ऐसे ही DY is equal to YC. Okay. Now XB और YC इक्वल है. XB और YC इक्वल है मतलब चारों पार्ट्स इक्वल है. अगर ये 2 है तो ये भी 2 है, ये भी 2 है, ये भी 2 है. तो क्या ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे? Yes, because XB को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? हाफ ऑफ AB and this is equal to half of CD, right? So half of AB is equal to half of CD. This implies AB is equal to CD, right? So we are able to prove that if the chords are equidistant from the center, then they are of equal length.